What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update on ICX, also known as Icon, which has pumped up a massive 41% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it was fluctuating around just about 22 cents earlier on yesterday and even earlier this morning, and out of nowhere has had a major increase in value. So we're going to be looking at, is this a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at why has it pumped so much, and is the pump likely to carry on over the coming hours, days, weeks, or is it likely to drop back down in value? So essentially, we're going to do its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Icon go, and is there a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 1.4%, and we do have ICX as one of the top gainers. So zooming into the hourly chart, just about a percentage down, nothing major. Over the last day, a massive 42%. It was nearly 50% earlier on today, where it hit 33 cents, but has taken a slight dip ever since. Over the week, 43%, and over the month, just about 21% up for the last 4 weeks. So yeah, so far so good for ICX, but you guys know whenever a major increase takes place on a crypto within a certain amount of time, it's likely to drop back down in value. But is that what is going to happen to ICX? Let's find out. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 5,400%, making it $358 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, meaning way more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing way more investors, way more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is one of the top gainers. So it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. More and more people are looking into the project, meaning a lot more people are trading it. So yeah, it is one of the trending cryptos over the last 12 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Icon, which is here in purple at 22 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here at over 30 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, it's not looking too good here. We've got the blue and the orange line both slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are likely to take place over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Icon to be trading at about 26 to 28 cents in target. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping in value over the coming hours. I'm also expecting it to pump up to about 34-35 cents before it slowly starts to drop back down in value later on this afternoon to the evening, down to about 26 to 28 cents in target. But again, no major drops are expected as of yet. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're still looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, we can see the blue line has calmed down a little bit. It's literally going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish anymore. And the orange line is still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall fluctuation to minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming week or so from Icon. So let's say by the end of next week, we should be trading around the 33 to 34 cents in target. Very minimal increases are expected. expected. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a drop back over the coming 48 to 72 hours down to about 24-25 cents before it slowly starts to gain value later on mid next week to end of next week up to about 33 to 34 cents. So yeah, it is going to be a very minimal increase in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line is looking very bullish, guys, going in a positive direction. However, it's looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the coming weeks, I'm expecting it to increase in value, but nothing major. It's not going to be a major outbreak or a major, bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value over the next 4 to 6 weeks, so mid to late May 2023. We should be trading around the 45 to 50 cents target, potentially even higher than that, but we're going to have to keep it at a realistic prediction right now because we have to take into consideration the drops that are likely to take place in between as well. But yeah, so far so good for Icon. However, guys, do expect drops in value in between because it's pumped up so much in value. And again, as mentioned in the thumbnail, is it likely to hit the $1 mark? Yes, but I'm expecting it to hit $1 by mid-year to Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Icon to be hitting the $1 mark. And again, guys, that is only if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. It could hit the $1 way before or way after that, depending on how the crypto market performs with any major crashes or bull runs or price pumps that can have a either positive or negative impact on the value of Icon. But either way, guys, that's why I'm here, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on the crypto market. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Icon, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys buying it right now? Are you guys selling it? Or are you guys just holding on to it? Comment down below. And also, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the $1 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And again, I have seen a lot of people saying it's going to hit the $1 mark over the coming weeks, which could happen, but again, I believe it won't happen, only because of it's pumped up so much, 40% in the last 12 hours, and for it to hit the $1 mark is going to have to go through another increase in value or a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting anytime soon from Icon. So we're going to have to give it a couple of months for it to hit the $1 mark. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I thought I'll make a quick one on Icon like a lot of you guys have requested. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, before I end the video, guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.